Statement of cost. The statement of cost according to element wise is given below in the form of cost sheet. This is an example of cost sheet of JKP Limited. Cost sheet for the period ended 31st March 2020. First of all, direct material. Opening stock of raw material at purchase, at carriage inward or import duty, and less closing stock of raw material. Net amount will be charged as direct material consumed. Then direct labor or productive wages. Next, direct expenses. The sum of direct material, direct labor and direct expenses is called prime cost. Prime cost will be obtained by adding direct material consumed, direct labor and direct expenses. Then we add factory cost, factory and works overhead in prime cost. Example of factory overheads are indirect material, indirect wages, factory rent and rates, factory lighting and heating, factory insurance, drawing office expenses, power and fuel, depreciation and repair, maintenance of plant, factory manager's salary, cost of sale of scrap. These are the example of factory overheads. We less sale of scrap. When we add factory overheads in prime cost, we will be obtained factory or works cost. Then we add office and administrative overheads in factory cost. Example of office overheads are office rent and rates, office salary, director's fees, office lighting and air conditioning, establishment charges, audit fees, legal charges, bank charges, general expenses. When we add office overheads in works cost, then the cost will be called cost of production. When we add opening stock of finished goods and less closing stock of finished goods in cost of production, we will obtain cost of goods sold. Then we add selling and distribution overheads in cost of goods sold. Example of selling and distribution overheads are showroom expenses, salesman salary and commission, traveling expenses of salesman, advertisement, market research cost, bad debts, catalogs and price rates, cost of free sample, after sale service, cost of technical demonstration, warehouse rent and insurance, packers wages, depreciation and operating expenses of delivery vans, finished stock losses. When we add selling and distribution overheads in cost of goods sold, we will get cost of sales or total cost. We add profit in cost of sale or total cost, then we will get total sales. So this is the example of cost sheet.